everyone, I'm Sipya Arthur and today I'll be speaking about the Wow Skin Science Wowsome Twosome Hair Care Kit available on Amazon.in.
Hi guys, my name is Neha Anand and welcome to Pink Salt, the show where I talk a lot about the products that I'm using and Hi guys, my name is Neha Anand and welcome to Pink Salt, the show where I talk a lot about the products that I'm using and hopefully make your life a little easier every time you shop. जो प्रोडक्ट मैं आपके लिए आज रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ, इट्स एन ऑसम टूसम शैम्पू कंडीशनर पैकेज बाय अ ब्रांड दैट आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट, वाओ स्किन साइंस. They have an apple cider vinegar based shampoo and जो conditioner है, that is an organic virgin coconut oil conditioner. So Wow Skin Science is a company by Fit and Glow. They have over 80 products. The company is very famous for their vegan products and they have a range of supplements and personal care products. They combine traditional age-old methods with modern technology and recently इनके जो hair products हैं ये काफी extremely popular हो गए हैं. The Wowsome Twosome, it comes in this shiny gold box with an image of both the shampoo and the conditioner on the front. और पीछे यहाँ पे आप इसके और details पढ़ सकते हैं about the shampoo and the conditioner and also how to use and apply both of them. ये दोनों bottles you can also buy them individually. They are 300 ml each. It comes with this pump system which also has a locking system in place so that there's no wastage when you use it in the shower, which I think is a very cool thing to do because tubes से बहुत ज़्यादा wastage होता है. It has a very cool shiny gold and black detailing here. It's a brown translucent bottle. So the shampoo has a banner here with an image of an apple, which is obviously their main ingredient, and it says that it's made with 100% natural and raw Himalayan apple cider vinegar. The banner on the conditioner is much cleaner. There is an image of a coconut and an avocado, and it mentions that this is made of organic virgin coconut oil plus avocado oil. There is a lot of concentration on the ingredients that are used in both these products because it will say here that there are no parabens and no sulfates. These are both vegan products with 100% vegan ingredients. And like I said, the shampoo is made of raw 100% unfiltered apple cider vinegar, sweet almond oil and argan oil. And the conditioner here is made of organic virgin coconut oil, avocado oil, vitamin B5 and E. So the Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo, this claims to remove build-ups, restore shine and smoothness, and this also claims to repair your hair. जो हम heating products use करते हैं, styling products use करते हैं, उससे बाल काफी damage हो जाते हैं. So this claims to repair that, and this also claims to fight dandruff and hair fall if you have any. Then you have the Wow Skin Science Hair Conditioner. This claims to help repair thin, weak or damaged hair. This also has avocado oil, जो एक natural sunscreen की तरह आपके scalp को protect करता है. And this also has vitamin E that will help grow healthy hair follicles. So I'm just going to use some of this shampoo and conditioner just to get an idea of the fragrance. Oh wow! So yeah, this has a very appley smell with a little sour vinegarish note, and it lathers and foams like usual shampoos and conditioners. It has a very nice silky consistency to it. आइए अभी conditioner try करते हैं. It has a very nice sweet almond oil and coconut oil smell. It has a thick consistency, पर ये काफी easily wash off हो जाएगा. Pump some of the shampoo onto your palm and apply gently into wet hair. I found that 3 to 4 pumps were more than enough for me. शैम्पू को gently अपने फिंगर टिप से मसाज कीजिए and lather it up. इसे 3 से 5 मिनट के लिए रहने दीजिए and then gently wash it away with plenty of water. To apply the conditioner, shake off any excess water in your hair and pump some of the conditioner onto your palm. Only 1 or 2 pumps work great for me. इसे gently मसाज कीजिए using your fingertips. 2 से 3 मिनट अपने बालों में रहने दीजिए and then rinse it thoroughly. Here's a few basic tips. After showering, do not be too rough with the towel in your hair. Just very gently use an absorbent towel and press it on your hair lightly. And also do not shampoo your hair very often क्योंकि हमारे जो natural oils होते हैं बालों में, अगर आप बार बार shampoo करेंगे वो भी निकल जाएंगे. So here's my experience with the Wow Skin Science shampoo and conditioner. I'm very worried about the pollution buildup on my scalp and the shampoo really helped with that. It made my scalp feel a lot cleaner. And the conditioner, I have some frizziness and some split ends. The conditioner definitely made my hair feel a lot smoother. So I think with repeated use, ये सिर्फ बेहतर ही होता रहेगा. तो ये जो शैम्पू और कंडीशनर है आई थिंक ये ऑल हेयर टाइप्स के लिए है. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर नो पैराबेन्स, नो सल्फेट, 100% clean vegan ingredients, this is definitely a package for you. I recommend it highly. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.
Hi everyone, I'm Sipya Arthur and today I'll be speaking about the Wow Skin Science Wowsome Twosome Hair Care Kit available on Amazon.in. Enriched with the goodness of apple cider vinegar, coconut and avocado, these products gently cleanse and restore shine and smoothness. It is dermatologically tested to be paraben-free, silicone-free and sulfate-free. It works well for all hair types and is the ultimate two-step hair care routine for smooth, long and glossy hair.
Hi guys, I'm Kathleen and today I'll be reviewing Wow's Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo, which is perfect to detox your hair. So this product has no paraben, no sulfate and no silicone and is made with natural active ingredients. So I really love the way this product feels on your scalp and on your hair. It gives you a really good lather that you can work with while you're shampooing your hair, and it smells amazing. It smells like fresh apples, so you'll come out of the bath feeling super fresh and super fragrant. So the price of this product is 499 rupees only, and I totally recommend you guys to buy this product.